Alright, this is NorCal Carters, and in front of me is the Parolin Eurostar master cylinder piston and seal assembly. So you will see here that this seal, the inner oil seal, is directional. So when installing a new seal on the piston, you want to make sure the seal is facing towards the inside of the master cylinder. And let me grab one of those real quick. So this is going to go like this. So this is your seal. This is your dust seal. So this is your seal, dust seal. The seal goes inside, and on this master cylinder there's a spring, and the spring is going to line up with that little boss on the back side of the piston. So that's going to help center the spring. The spring is going to go inside the master cylinder with the piston, and you want to spin it just to make sure it's centered, and then lightly press with your thumb, work it in a little bit, make sure it goes in nice and free. I used a little bit of brake fluid to help facilitate a smooth operation. So that is the direction the seal goes. So imagine if the fluid is behind the seal, you want the seal to expand, pushing the piston forward. And then the spring also helps assist pushing it forward. And then on the opposite side, it will pull back. So that's how you want this to operate. And again, this outer seal is a dust seal right here to keep debris out of the main brake fluid seal. So it just gently goes in. So before you assemble anything, you want to make sure everything is free from defects or damage. Nice smooth corners. Hit the piston with some Scotch-Brite. But again, there's a very quick video. Just thought about it last second, and wanted to show you the direction of the seal, which way it goes on the piston, and how the spring engages with the backside of the piston there. So if you find this video helpful, please donate to the NorCal Carters project. I'll put a link below in our description.